Hey, this is David with Lift Kits for Less. Today we're going to be installing a lowering kit on a 2017 Tahoe. It's from Belltech. The part number is 1020SP. Again, 1020SP. Let's jump right into this. You got your spindles, your drop spindles, which allows your vehicle to drop 2 to 3 inches. They're made of ductile iron. They also maintain critical suspension geometry, which eliminates the wear and tear on your ball joints, your tires, and your shocks. You got your coils, your rear coils. They came with the spacers, and you got your OEM quality bump stops. These are actually chromium alloy, and they're also powder coated. You got your rear street performance shocks from Belltech, real nice quality. You have your front struts. Now these struts, you can adjust these struts. So you can go 2 inches up or 3 inches down. You can also adjust them by 1/2 inch increments, depending on what level you want. The customer actually requested that we do a 3-inch front and a 4-inch rear. So that's what we're going to be doing today. So let's go out to the truck. Hey, just a quick note. If you want a full 4-inch drop in the front, remove all the rings from the struts. And if you want a full 4-inch drop in the rear, don't use your 1-inch spacers.
Hi, me and my wife just bought a new Yukon, and I got in touch with Lift Kits for Less, and they lowered it for me, as you can see, and it makes it very easy getting in and out, as I'll show you now. And getting out. And being a disabled veteran, this makes it much easier, my life much easier to get in because it's lowered. And I want to thank Lift Kits for Less very much, and have a nice day.